All right, welcome STMA cabinet makers. This video is going to be covering how to draw these trim pieces. Really quite easy and it won't take you long at all. So let's go. I need to create a part studio, and there we go. And I need to create a sketch, and I'll use the right side here, and we'll click on that. View normal to sketch plane, and then let's take a look at our plans. We need to go to the, oops, right here, trim pieces. All right, so the trim pieces on the sides are 13 3/8 by 1 7/8. We'll start with those. Thirteen 3/8 by 1 7/8. And we'll complete that, and we will extrude it to 0.75. We'll call that good. I'm going to add another sketch on here so I can draw that angle. So I'll go up here and click on sketch, choose this edge, and view normal to sketch plane. We're going to use the use tool because it's so useful, and then we will grab our line tool. So grab our line tool and draw and snap to there. Now we can escape line. All right, we have to get this to be 45. So the way we do that is we're going to grab our dimension tool, and we're going to click on this line, and we are going to click on this line. And we're going to pull the dimension out wherever we want and type in 45. There we go. Okay, we are almost done. This is our piece. Now we're going to extrude this triangle away. So we grab the extrude tool, click on there, hit remove. We have to go all the way through. So in this blind area, we open up this drop-down menu to through all. There it is. And we are almost done. So now all we got to do is put our chamfer on this edge right here. So we're going to use this chamfer tool and click on that edge right there. And if it doesn't say 0.25, you can change that to 0.25. And now we have our left side. There we go. Okay, so that's Part Studio 2. We're going to rename that, and we'll call it Left Trim. Enter. And then we're going to duplicate that. I'll show you how easy it is to create the right trim. All right, trim, and all we need to do is take our chamfer and put it down underneath here. And our piece will be the other side. So we are going to double click on chamfer. We'll click on this little red X to remove it, and click on this line to add it. Now, there is our piece on the other side. We'll go ahead and accept that, and we have it done. Now, we need to make the front. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go back to the left trim here to avoid confusion when I assemble. It'll just be a little easier for us. We're going to duplicate that and rename it front trim. All right, two things we have to do here. We have to make this longer, and then we have to put a 45 right there. So let's go and take a look. How long does it need to be? It needs to be 17.5 inches. There. can change that on the first sketch. Close it out, and we'll open up the second sketch to see where our triangle is, and there's a triangle there. Now we just need to add a triangle there for our miter cut. We'll do that the same way we did the first one. We'll just draw in a line and grab our dimension tool. (45°). All right, so we have this extruded, but we don't have this extruded. Let's go to that extrude command right there, and let's select this little triangle. That should do the trick for us. There we go. Now we've got our trim drawn, and that's our front piece, right piece, and our left piece. All right, next video we'll show you how to put it, well, it'll assemble the whole cabinet.